Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using the Melodysusie 24 plus 4 gel nail polish kit. And this kit is in the color collection called Neon Abyss. And it is a variety of shades perfect for the summer season. And look at all these gorgeous colors in here. So you get 24 colors in here. And then a little informational guide on how to do a gel mani step by step. So 24 different colors, and then you get, let's see here, you get 2 base coats, which I like that they included that in here. And then you also get a top coat. And then the other item in here is the matte top coat. And the colors in here are so gorgeous. There's mermaid shades, there's tropical shades in here. It's a little bit of everything for summer. And I love these little bottles. They're just so cute. And then it also has a number system on the bottle there. Alright, so let's see what these gorgeous colors look like in just one moment here. Alright, and aren't these colors beautiful? These are all 24 of the colors in the collection swatched. And I really like how it has mermaid vibes in this collection and tropical colors in here. It's a really good summer toned collection. So I'm going to show you all the colors here. The first ones here, the first 2 sets here remind me of mermaid vibes. So this set right here is a beautiful combo. This set definitely reminds me of mermaid with that shimmer on the end. This reminds me of tropical fruit like passion fruit and banana and pineapple. And then the last combo here is really pretty as well. Such gorgeous colors. And then here are all the colors again. Beautiful. It was very hard for me to pick what color I wanted to do. So we're going to go ahead and do a mani with these 3 colors. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this mani, and I'll pop back in a little bit. All right, we're just finishing up the mani here, and I think this mani is adorable. I love the bright colors and those polka dots. Something about polka dots and bright colors just make me think of summer. So definitely go ahead and check out other collections from Melodysusie. They have great gel polishes and other colors out there. If these colors weren't for you, they definitely have something that will meet your color needs on their website. I do have a discount code. I will go ahead and leave that in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!